Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. Cosine 2x equals to number 1 minus number 2 sine x squared. Now we need to change cosine 2x into this one. Next, 1 minus 1, we cancel negative and negative, we have positive. And now we have positive number 2 sine x squared. Next, we have the second formula in here. That is about a minus b multiplied by a plus b equals to a squared minus b squared. So, because we want to cancel about the square root, we need to multiply by a plus b, because this one that is about 1 minus b, a minus b. So to create about a square minus b square, we need to multiply by a plus b on numerator and denominator. And now this one, we have like this. Next, we know that cosine x, that is about cosine of number 2 multiplied by s over number 2. And now we apply this formula in here. Now we need to transform this one into this one, and we have like this. So 1 minus 1, we cancel negative, negative, we have positive, and now we have like this. Next, sine x, we can do about factorization. Next, we have the formula in here. So sine x, we can transform into number 2 multiplied by s over number 2. And now we need to transform this one into this one. So we can get like this. Next, we need to simplify number 2 sine of s over 2 on numerator and denominator. Next, we divide by sine of s over number 2. Now, about this one, we have sine of s, we transform into number 2 sine of s over number 2, cosine of s over number 2. So in this situation, we have s divided by this one, and sine of s over 2 divided by this one, and we have like this. Next, about this one, we put about 1 over 2 on numerator and denominator. So we have the formula in here. So capital A in this situation, that is about 1 over 2, 1 over 2. When s approaches to number 0, this one equals to number 1. So that means s over 2 over sine of s over 2 equals to number 1. Because this one we divide by s over 2, they will return to this one in here. And now we have the final answer. So we just put number 0 on here. This one in here we transform into number 1 over 1 over 2. Now we put number 0 on here and number 0 on here. Now we calculate this one and we have 1 over 12. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.